Hi, I'm Tim Brandt, PR and Events Manager for CCI Ammunition. We're here at the 2012 SHOT Show and we've got a unique new product. It's called Quiet 22 from CCI. This is essentially a quiet product. It's at 710 feet per second. It's a 40 grain round nose bullet. It's a lot of fun to go out and plink. When you work this in your bolt action, the first time you pull the trigger, you're going to ask if the gun actually went off. It's a lot of fun. You can play around with it. It's very accurate out to 50 yards, great for kids, great for teaching. Be sure to check this out. If you want to learn more, go to www.outdoorwriters.atk.com and check it out.